Hello everyone, let's start zoology practical lab experiment. Next experiment, identification of presence of albumin in the given sample. Presence of albumin test, albumin in the given sample. So albumin test. First one aim to identify the presence of albumin in the given sample. So the identification of the albumin in the given the sample. Next one principle. So a concentrated nitric acid precipitates albumin. So they are concentrated nitric acid precipitate the albumin. So forming the acid albuminate. So the acid and albumin, these two mixing. So they are acid albuminate formation. Next one requirements, test tubes, concentrated HNO3 and sample solution. So they are the test tubes and samples and concentrated HNO3. Nitric acid means, so they are the acid. So that they another name. So they are the acid. Next one procedure. So the take a series of 4 test tubes. Take a 4 test tubes. A, B, C, D. 4 test tubes. And take a 2 ml of concentrated HNO3 in each test tube. Take a 2 ml of concentrated HNO3 in each test tube. Next one, add 2 ml of sample from A, B, C and D samples. So the sample A, B, C, D. So these samples adding with A sample, add A test tube, B sample add B test tube, C sample add C test tube, D sample add D test tube. Next one, in the to their respective label test tubes along the sides of the test tube with the help of the dropper. So they are adding with the sides of the test tube with the dropper. Dropper means, so they are the droppers. Next one, albumin is present. It forms a white ring at the junction of 2 layers. So the albumin is presenting. So the white ring is formation. So the final result, a whitish ring is formed, presence of albumin in the sample. So the white ring is formed, that sample presenting on the albumin. So the experiment, first one 4 test tubes A, B, C and D, 4 test tubes. Next one, add 2 ml of concentrated HNO3. Add 2 ml of concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3. So these are the concentrated HNO3. First one 2 ml of A test tube, 2 ml of B test tube, 2 ml of C test tube and 2 ml of D test tube. Two ml of D test tube. Next one 2 ml of samples. For example, first one A sample 2 ml, add with A test tube, B sample, B test tube, C sample, C sample, last one D sample. D sample. So in these 4 test tubes, A sample there is no white color ring formation, B sample there is no white color ring formation, but in the C sample, so in the C sample, so their formation of white color ring. C sample their formation of white color ring. So they are presenting on the albumin. Next one, D sample, there is no white color formation. So this 4 samples A, B, C, D. So only C sample appearance of the white color ring. So they are C sample presenting on the albumin. C sample present in the albumin. Next one, table. Table sample A, no ring. No ring formation means no albumin. No albumin. Next one, sample B, no ring formation. No ring formation. So no albumin. C sample, a white color ring formation. White ring formation. White ring formation. So albumin present. Albumin present. Next one, D sample, no ring formation, no albumin. So these are the identification of albumin test. Simple, taken a 4 test tubes and 4 sample. First one, add concentrated HN with 2 ml in each test tube. Next one, add with the samples in each test tube. So after any one test tube, there appear in the white color ring, appear a white color ring, that sample presenting on the albumin. So they are the albumin test.